King family. We're back with another mukbang. What's good, King family? We're back with another mukbang. It's your girl Giselle. What's your name?
I'm sorry.
And that's Alexiani. And we're back with some mommy. Some Supreme homemade. Well, it's from Walmart, but pizza. Some
I like that McMills.
French fries and like 2 onion rings. And a little water with flavor. Alright, so here you go. You want French fries?
No.
No French fry?
No.
Ketchup?
No.
No? Okay. You want pizza?
I want pizza.
Yeah, but I know she doesn't like the stuff on it, so I'm gonna end up having to take off some of these things because she's not gonna like it. Actually, I'm gonna use a knife. It'll be better.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Come
Don't mind Alex in the background. He's playing 2K.
on.
He's gonna be super loud.
Stop.
All right, so let me take some of this stuff off.
Mine's not hot. I'm not hot.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Oh,
Take some of this stuff off that you're not gonna like. So what have you guys been up to?
Let's go. Deep in.
Yeah.
Don't mind me. I'm just taking off all these peppers that she's not gonna like.
That's off. Give me that.
My foot.
I didn't have regular pizza, so. Yo!
Wait, I'm sorry.
Sorry, guys. I have a rude ass person over there.
Shy.
In and out.
That's all you guys are gonna hear in my video. I should just stay shut and let him talk. So annoying. Alright, and now for me.
It's nasty.
For me,
What's that?
it's pepperoni.
It's nasty.
No, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's nice for me.
Mommy.
What?
Good. Cut.
Try it.
Mommy, no.
What? You don't want? Well, you don't want this? Take it out.
No.
You want it?
No.
What do you don't want? Eat it.
No.
What? All right, eat. All right, so. What do you want?
I want it.
You want this off? You don't want it? You do want it. Take the sausage out.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Alright. I'm gonna get onion ring. Some fries.
No, I have to go and jump. Ooh, hot. Ooh.
Everything's hot.
Hot.
Alright. Oh.
Yo, bro.
Yo, you want a slice?
Nah, I'm good.
Let's do TikTok.
I'll play with
No,
these
it's for the
niggas.
French
That nigga
fry.
hold
You don't
the
want
ball.
French
OKC
fry.
nigga, all you gotta do
I want to TikTok.
holds the ball. Plays with it.
Oh, what's that?
One more.
Alright, so this is what I have. Pepperoni. I mean pizza with onion rings and French fries. Onion ring. Red Robin onion ring. I had like 2 left in the bag.
Look, Mama.
Lock that nigga down for me.
Look.
Or he's gonna play with the ball.
Look. I'm bringing it. Mama, look.
Hmm.
He ain't got nothing.
My pizza.
Yeah, that shit's tough.
What?
Foul. Foul.
God, guys, tomorrow's already December 1st.
Hey, man.
Here.
Let's go.
Haven't. Oop, sausage fell.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
Oh, mommy, sorry.
First bite.
Sorry. Oh, sorry, mommy. Your phone.
Mm.
Whoa, whoa. No, my word.
Whoa.
It's
Oh.
good.
Why? Lucky bitch.
Right. Like, I see getting slow, getting slow. So do I. Jackie Ryan.
So good.
Jackie G. Oh, I bet me. See that?
I just got me used to this
I bet. Look,
supreme pizza.
look. That.
It actually is spicy because of the sausage.
Mm-hmm. Crunchy.
I have
Jackie T.
onions,
Oh no, mommy, yum.
red pepper, green pepper, sausage,
Pull up on him. Pull up on him.
sausage,
Lock down. Lock him down.
olives.
Oh, he's gonna dribble.
What's that?
I don't know what else.
I ain't touch it.
I'm already full.
Mm.
Where's the guy? Oh my gosh, she's wiping herself with her pajamas. Yeah.
Oh, get that.
What is it, Mom?
That's okay.
What pizza?
Ooh. We playing too fast.
Oh, mommy, look.
Right there. Pull it up.
Ew, mommy.
I was craving pizza for like 3 days. And since I'm on a diet,
Ew.
I haven't been eating out too much.
Mm.
I actually lost 3 pounds.
Mama, what's
I'm
this?
dying to lose more
Right
pounds.
here. Mommy,
You
look
just
at my
have it.
pizza.
Yeah, you're not eating.
I don't eat that.
I'm just eating the crunchy part.
Mommy.
Bread. She did the same thing I'm doing.
Mom, pizza. Mommy, give me the pizza.
What?
Right here.
How you keep dating yourself?
Mom, pizza. My pizza. Mommy, my pizza.
There you go.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
All the way.
Ah, damn it.
Good fucking
I
pass.
don't want.
I wish I could just,
Bye.
because whoever's hungry, I just, here. Here you guys. You guys can have the rest of the pizza. But that's not possible. That would have been nice though.
No, they don't decide.
But
Let's try. Let's try. Wait.
Come on, playing. How the fuck you do that, man?
don't do that. That's not nice. That's not even cool. See, that's why YouTube should be banned, because you guys watch too much crazy stuff. And I don't like that. I don't like that.
I saw that shit.
Before, I could eat like 3 slices at least. Now, I force myself to eat
Fucking
one.
defense.
I didn't eat much.
I like that, bro.
Today all I had was coffee and a hash
Whoa,
brown.
whoa, whoa.
That was the same thing in Dunkin' Donuts. Medium, hot decaf, 4 cream, 4 sugar. Medium hot decaf, 4 cream, 4 sugar. All right. And medium hot decaf, 4 cream. Look. All right, look. All right, look. They looking at you. Ew. All right, look. They said, look at your hair. Show them your hair. Medium 4 decaf. Medium hot decaf, 4 cream, 4 sugar, and an order of hash browns. Hash browns is only $1. They're little circle hash brown, and they're good. That's all I have from Dunkin' Donuts. And make sure you guys, when you get your receipt, at the bottom of the receipt, if you put the code in and do the survey, you get a free donut with your next hot medium decaf. What you looking at?
You're beautiful.
Your medium hot decaf. As long as you order a coffee, which is $2.11, then you get a free donut. I'll get a free donut next time I go again. But yeah. That's all. Happy Friday, guys. Anyways, I'm done. Are you done? I'm done. I'm done. Say peace.
Peace.
Peace.